Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to add beauty effects in CapCut Android. So the first, open the CapCut app, then click new project. After that, choose video or photo that you want to edit. I will choose my photo, then click add. After that, click on the clip. Swipe right, then click Enhance. Click Face. Wait for a minute. On the tab you touch, we can first edit for smooth. This is a setting that can make your skin more smooth. Like this. Then click Brighten. This is setting for your skin will more bright. Then click White Teeth. I will skip this one. Then smile lines. Adjust it. Okay. Then dark circles. Adjust it too. So the dark circles will be more bright. No more panda eyes. We can click tab parts of face. This is an advanced edit for enhance your face, but I won't skip it. It have a lot of options, so I will click save. We can see the difference with click undo, then click redo the after of enhance, undo, redo, undo, redo. Okay, so this is tutorial how to add beauty effects in CapCut Android. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.